Hello sa mga kaibigan ko, sa lahat ng mga subscriber ko. Pasensya na kayo na ngayon na ako mag-update ng power jack inverter ko na ito. Linisan ko ngayon. And also to all my subscriber outside the country, I'm very sorry for not giving you an update since I think it takes 4 years already or 5 years. I think that I never given any information about my power jack inverter. So now I wanna clean this before I give you some information about this. So I'm gonna use this for cleaning. Okay, try just what's for me. So now, it's getting clean. By the way, sa mga kaibigan kong Pinoy, bakit makikita nyo nag-i-English ako dito? Kasi marami akong mga foreign subscriber na gusto rin nila malaman kung anong sitwasyon ng power jack inverter ko na ito. So to all my subscriber outside the country, I just tell you about the power jack inverter. Since I update this before, I never get in trouble about this until now. So I will show you that this inverter is working good. So look at that. It's getting clear and clean inside now. So it's good. It cannot cause be overheating if you know, if there's a lot of dirt inside, that can be cause overheat for the transformer or the MOSFET. So that's the reason why it can make trouble. So you can see this, it's getting clean. So now I try to on this inverter so that you can see if still working. Okay, so here's the power. So turn it on. Okay, you can see the light and see, look at that, the power inverter is on, it's working. And see the LCD, very good. And you can see here the fan. See, look at the fan, it's working. So you can see that my inverter is really good. This inverter may be around 7 years already. So by the way, maybe somebody are confusing why there is another inverter installed. So I put it there because sometimes I need more power, so I gonna turn it on if I want more power. but only sometimes. But this the one at the top is the one I'm always using it. This is the old one. So thank you very much for watching my short video.